Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the sailor crab in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. We need the sailor crab to complete the pirate event quest. As you can see that we need to catch 2 sailor crab. Sometimes you will get this quest or this mission, and if you want to catch the sailor crab, you can go to the pirate cove island, of course, and then you can fish here. This is where you can catch the sailor crab. And for the rod, I would like to recommend you to use the Aries rod. Okay, or if you have better rod, you can use it. For example, the ghost fin or the element rod. But I haven't unlocked the ghost fin rod. So yeah, you can use this Aries rod. And for the bait, you can use the dark matter bait or the corrupt bait. Or again, if you have better bait, you can use it. But this bait will be okay. And also this rod, the Aries rod. And the sailor crab is a legendary fish, guys. So it's kind of difficult to catch, but you can try it. And you can also activate the potion to have more chance to catch the sailor crab. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the sailor crab in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.